Hello बच्चों, let's read the given question. An aqueous solution of diabasic acid, molar mass 132, containing 264 gram acid per liter solution, has specific gravity that is 1.34 gram per ml. Express its concentration in molality, normality, percentage by volume, and percentage by mass and mole fraction. So here key point is mole and its equivalent. Here we had given molar mass which is equal to 132 containing 264 gram acid, and we had given specific gravity that is equal to 1.34 gram per ml. Now we have to find N, that is number of moles, that is equal to 264 given mass divided by molecular mass into 1000 divided by 1000, which is equal to 2. And we have to find now M, that is W2 into 1000 divided by MW2 into V solution into D solution minus W2, which is equal to 264 into 1000 divided by 132,000 multiply with D solution, that is 1.34 minus 264, which is equal to 1.85. So here we can find normality is equal to N into M. By putting the values we get 3.7 N. Now weight of solvent that is represented by W1 is equal to weight of solution minus weight of solute. So this will equal to B solution multiply D solution minus W2, which is equal to 1000 into 1.32 minus 264, which is equal to 1076. Now we have to find that is X2, that is mole fraction of solute, which is equal to N2 divided by N1 plus N2, which is equal to N2. We can write W2 divided by MW2 divided by W1 MW1 plus W2 MW2. बट N2 भी N2 हमने फाइंड कर लिया था यहाँ पे, तो वो कितना था 2, तो हम लिख सकते हैं 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1076. दिस W1 हमने निकाला है 1076 और इसका वेट मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है 18 और ये हमें पता ही है कितना है 2, तो ये किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा 0.0324. ये आ गया. अब हमने इसकी मोल फ्रैक्शन भी निकालनी है, दैट इज दिस. तो फिर वो क्या हो जाती है 1 माइनस x2 के बराबर हो जाएगी, जो हमने ये x2 निकाला है. तो ये किसके इक्वल है 0.0324. ये किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा 0.0324 9676। तो ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर हो जाएगा। तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 0.9676। तो ये वाला हमारा फाइनल आंसर हो जाएगा। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द एक्सप्लेनेशन। थैंक यू।